Last week, new provincial cooperative office building serves as another legacy of Governor GYVBE Emano. PSWD initiates another series of financial assistance turnovers. And PNP Chief General Eleazar visits and inspects Miss Or Police Force. Welcome to another edition of Governor GYVBE Emano's Accomplishment Report. PIO reporters have been following and documenting all the developments that Governor GYVBE Emano had accomplished in the entire province from October 18 to 22 of this year. Queen Exclamador will bring the happenings for Monday. For Tuesday, Reggiana Mormaygay will give us the complete details. Wednesday's developments will be reported by Jabson Patlunag. Danny Bshama Jr. will unravel Thursday. And to carry out Friday, we will have Mary Jane Salimbao. And Raymark Simanya will present the consolidated report.
Governor GYVBE Emano's administration is always true and resilient, evident in his undeniable influence towards the people with his potent legacy. The provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through the initiative of Governor GYVBE Emano, with the support of Senator Juan Edgardo Sani Angara, conducts the turnover of financial assistance, blessing and inauguration ceremony of the new provincial cooperative building. The event is joined with the board members from Sangguniang Panlalawigan, cooperative development authorities, project engineers, provincial capital office representatives, and beneficiaries. Overjoyed, Provincial Cooperative Officer Alberto Biacain expressed his gratitude to Governor GYVBE Emano and Senator Juan Edgardo Sani Angara.
Ulay susama aning usa ka departamento sa atong provincial government na kaugalingong building. Murag first of its kuan siguro kind nga naay kaugalingon nga buhatan ang provincial cooperative office.
The said juncture opens another set of various opportunities for the people of Misamis Oriental with Governor GYVBE Emano's legacy through the provincial cooperative building that is built as a lasting testament of the people of Misamis Oriental, together with Provincial Cooperative Officer Alberto Biacain, a symbolic care and commitment of the provincial government to Misamisnans. Simultaneously, with the handing over of the new edifice of the Provincial Cooperative Office, the Misamis Oriental Provincial Government turned over financial assistance to 3 cooperatives from various municipalities, namely Shota Credit Cooperative in Laguindingan, who received 100,000 pesos, Balasan Farmers Producers Cooperative in Hingoog City with 200,000 pesos, and Cagayan Villanueva Transport and Multipurpose Service Cooperative in Villanueva with 1,050,000 pesos. In total, the amount handed over by PGMO amounted to 1,350,000 pesos. Beneficiaries were grateful as the given amount will help them build great opportunities for their increased income and to improve their livelihood that will surely result in a prosperous province of Misamis Oriental. In addition, a new 12-seater Nissan van is formally turned over to the office of the Vice Governor from Governor GYVBE Emano. Present in the event are Vice Governor Jig Pelaez alongside board members Wayne Militante, Boboy Sabal, Dexter Yasay, Eric Hu, and Saysay Emano, with Provincial Administrator Attorney Jocelyn Load Mateo on behalf of Governor GYVBE Emano. With cordiality, Vice Governor Pelaez is thankful to Governor GYVBE Emano for the new van, for it will help the office of the Vice Governor and the Sangguniang Panlalawigan in their delivery of services all over Misamis Oriental. Last but not least, the Department of Health Treatment and Rehabilitation Center conducted a ceremonial turnover of assistive devices to the Provincial Social Welfare and Development that are as follows: 1 wheelchair, 7 walker, and 21 quad cane. The OHTRC had chosen the provincial government of Misamis Oriental through PSWD as the beneficiary of the aforementioned assistive devices as part of their celebration for the Senior Citizen Month. Governor GYVBE Emano expresses his gratitude to the OHTRC for their support to the people of Misamis Oriental, most especially to the vulnerable sectors of the province, whom he respects and prioritizes, as manifested in his notion that states, "Kung taga-Miss Or ka, secure ka." Queen Exclamador, PIO.
Barangay North Poblacion from Medina is the latest beneficiary of Governor BAMBE Emano's Barangay Empowerment Program, receiving an indispensable seawall project on Tuesday. For the complete details, here's Regiana Mormaygay.
In the pursuit of bringing all Misamisnans to the path of success, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental under Governor BAMBE Emano's leadership unrelentingly serve overflowing support to the people. On Tuesday, October 19, 2021, through the Barangay Empowerment Program spearheaded by the Office of Barangay Infrastructure Projects, a seawall project worth 1,200,000 pesos was realized for Barangay North Poblacion in the municipality of Medina. The successful turnover of the project happened with the presence of board member Wayne Militante and Hinguog City Barangay 21 Chairwoman Honorable Helen Militante, together with BIP Head and Assistant Provincial Engineer Tessie Gales and Engineer Excel De Gala. Also present at the event were the SB members of the said barangay who extended their heartfelt thanks for the said project. So with all the people in the said municipality for the seawall project answers the greater need of their problem, calamities, strikes such as a flash flood.
Magpasalamat lagi, daghan kay salamat ng tagaan Barangay Poblacion sa 1.2 million seawall project kay dako it kaayo na siya tama.
On the same day, the PHO Nutrition Division, headed by Ms. Marites Gomez, together with PSWDO, turned over 1 box of oral drop vitamins for children identified as wasted and 7,680 packs of dietary food supplement for stunted children in the municipality of Taguluan, specifically delivered in its Rural Health Unit. Public Health Nurse of Arichu Taguluan, Ms. Rodora R. Bade, and MNOW Taguluan designate Ms. Emeline Balaman expressed their heartfelt gratitude to Governor BAMBE Emano and all accompanying officers who frontline nutritional programs.
Actually karon maski natay mga sa ato ang kuan karon atong panahon nga pandemic nagpadayon gyapon ang pag-implement sa mga paghatag sa mga wasted mga stunted nga mga children sa ilang mga nutrition nga needs. So, thank you kayo sa mga gipanghatag inyo nga tabang diri sa municipality of Taguluan. Labi na sa mga katong wasted, stunted nga mga children.
This initiative replicated the unwavering support of the provincial government, leading all municipalities in achieving health stability, especially for children. Also, the given set of assistance emphasized the strengthening of the F1K program. Another successful story happened on Tuesday in strong determination to further advance the agricultural industry of Misamis Oriental. The Provincial Agriculture Office, in partnership with DTI, had its fruitful discussion regarding the plan to open hubs and facilities for coconut products, particularly for cocoa pallet. This cause is under the Rapid Growth Program, which has also been ultimately supported by Cocoa Pallet International BV Company. Present in the consultative meeting were Provincial Agriculturist Mr. Jose Apollo Pacamalan, Committee Chairman on Agriculture Board Member Eric Ko, Chief Commercial Officer Mr. Kil Flores, Chief Finance Operation Mr. Jutchem Intvel, along with Pagro Consultants Mr. Norman Q. Arancon, Ms. Rachel Polestico, and Mr. Willie Chua. With this endeavor, coconut farmers in the province shall greatly benefit from envisioning their enriched income through involvement in the collection and gathering of raw materials towards abundant production of coconut products. Additionally, for Tuesday, the Provincial Veterinary Office conducted a series of events composed of pregnancy diagnosis, deworming, and vitamin supplementation for all dispersed Brahman cattle in Barangay Cugon, El Salvador City. This cause secures the said livestock on their beneficial health needs, of which the provincial government duly implements pursuant to Governor BAMBE Emano's aim for his constituents to experience improved economic living. Regiana Mormaygay, PIO.
The Public Employment Service Office reports their breakthrough online registration for job referral and placement, making job hunting accessible at the comfort of homes. For this development, here's Jebson Patlunag.
Yes, Jing. Governor BAMBE Emano ensures the success of all PGMO projects through cooperation. The Public Employment Service Office has conceptualized an online registration system as part of its innovations amid the physical restrictions brought about by the pandemic for employment facilitation of job seekers who desire to apply for work even in the comforts of their homes using their mobile phones, computers, and other devices. Among other objectives, the online system provides easy access to job seekers and cast wider options to local employment opportunities. Instead of going to establishments and company offices, this employment facilitation system can help job seekers save time, money, and energy, making their job hunt effortless and convenient. By registering to PESO's online database, PESO will outrightly refer job applications to companies so the latter can address their manpower needs and further assess the applicant for its vacancy based on their skills and qualifications. Step 1. Go to pesomisor.com. Step 2. Select National Skills Registration Program or NSRP form. Fill out the form with your personal information and follow instructions. Attach all needed documents, save and submit, and wait for a notification from PESO. A computer-generated message will be sent to you through SMS and email, confirming that you have been referred to the establishment or company as to your preferred job or desired position, including status updates of application thereto. The job seeker's personal information will then be added to the compendium of applicants for active manpower supply, serving as a reference for potential employees and for future recruitment. Jabson Patlunag, PIO.
In celebration of the 120th anniversary of the country's police service, PNP Chief General Guillermo Eleazar visits and inspects Misamis Oriental's police force, citing PNP MISOR as the best police provincial office and Hingog City as the best component city police station. PIO's Janib Sharma Jr. will tell us more.
The Misamis Oriental Police Provincial Office has proven its efficiency and capability in serving the people of the province as the unit received an award during the visit of Philippine National Police Chief General Guillermo Eleazar in the region.
On Thursday, in line with the 120th Police Service Anniversary, Philippine National Police Chief General Guillermo Eleazar visited the Police Regional Office 10 at Camp Vicente G. Alagar, Cagayan de Oro City. A presentation of awards also transpired, where the Best Police Provincial Office Award was given to the Provincial Government of Misamis Oriental. A memorandum of agreement and deed of donation signing between the PNP and LGUs of Hingog City and the Municipality of Opol also took place. Present in the event were Governor Bambi Mano, Hingog City Mayor Honorable Eric G. Canyosa, and PRO 10 Regional Director Police Brigadier General Rolando B. Anduyan, along with the police regional officers. The event recognized the valuable efforts and contributions of the Philippine National Police to serve the country with utmost respect and integrity while preserving the peace and order throughout the nation. Additionally, on Thursday, Dugong Co-op Part 2, a bloodletting activity led by the Provincial Capital Employees Multi-Purpose Cooperative in partnership with Provincial Cooperative Office, took place at the Capitol grounds. PISAMCO Chairman Mr. Andrew Gapuz and Manager Ms. Flordelis Tabamo encouraged all employees and even walk-ins to donate blood, for this would promote cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of cancer. The event ended on 12 noon, of which 72 individuals have donated. Present in the event were Northern Mindanao Medical Center and Department of Health frontliners, with all accompanying offices who collaboratively made the event successful, namely PHO, PDRRMO, PEO, PSWDO, and PGSO. Moreover, Provincial Veterinarian Dr. Benjamin Resma and DA10 Regional Executive Director Carlene C. Collado led a groundbreaking ceremony of the liquid nitrogen generating plant building, set to be constructed and established at the Provincial Capital Compound on land donated by the Provincial Government of Misamis Oriental. The liquid nitrogen generating plant building will preserve the semen of quality livestock as well as perform other cytopreservation to enhance the genetic improvement initiatives of not just Misamis Oriental's thriving livestock sector, but of the whole Region 10. Also present in the event were DARFO 10 Regional Agricultural Engineering Division Chief Engineer Deliza T. Camaro and Department of Agriculture Provincial Operations Centers Chief Ms. Chona Nakalaban.
Pasalamat ni kay Dr. Resma and also kay Governor Bambi. They have provided an area where i-construct na to ang facility. And kani ang first na probinsya na makadawat ani na project.
Furthermore, the Philippine College of Occupational Medicine Northern Mindanao Chapter, with their college councils Dr. Emily Ceballos, the Vice President, PCOM North Min, and Dr. Viel Jose, Coordinator of PCOM North Min, presented a plaque of recognition to Governor Bambi Ibano in acknowledgement of his distinguished and invaluable service rendered as a special message speaker during the PCOM North Min's 22nd Mid-Year Virtual Convention. On Governor Bambi Ibano's behalf, Provincial Administrator Attorney Jocelyn Laud Mateo received the award along with Dr. Mariato Austin Paasa, Provincial Health Officer 1. Notwithstanding, Governor Bambi Mano is always resilient with his words and deeds as he stands firm in his dealings, especially to those in line with health programs.
In addition, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental was filled with excitement as Philippine National Police Chief General Guillermo Lorenzo Eleazar paid a courtesy call to Governor Bambi Mano at the Provincial Training Center, Provincial Compound, Cagayan de Oro City, saving the best for last. This has been the words of gratification of General Eleazar as Misamis Oriental was his first and last province to visit in the whole country during his rule as Chief of the Philippine National Police. His visit aims to observe and improve many of the police stations in the country and to promote his visions of maintaining peace and order and pursuing a crime-free society even in his short period of tenure. Present in the said event were the majority block of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, DILG Regional Director Maricia Naibe, PNP Regional Officers, among others.
At bahagi na aking pag-ikot sa ating mga police units ay mag-courtesy call. At tayo mga ay nagpapasalamat sa mahal nating gobernador ng Misamis Oriental ay Gobernador Mano sa kanyang patuloy na pagtulong sa ating mga kapulisan. At ang commitment naman namin ay siguraduhin din na nandito ang ating pulis para maglingkod na maayos.
In another story, a spay and neuter activity courtesy of the Provincial Veterinary Office in partnership with the Villanueva Municipal Agriculture Office took place at San Roque Village, Barangay Dayawan in the municipality of Villanueva. A total of 59 dogs and cats were accommodated in the said activity. The aim of this event is to prevent the overpopulation of stray dogs and cats, which mainly cause the increase of rabies cases in the province.
Danny Vertidazo of Shama Jr., PIO.
Committed to help the provincial government, STEAG State Power Incorporated turned over assorted medical supplies to the Provincial Nutrition Office. For all details, here's Jane Salimbao.
With his undying support for the masses, Governor Bambi Mano never fails to prove his good leadership to all Misamisnans.
On Friday, October 22, 2021, committed to help the provincial government uplift the welfare of all Misamisnans, STEAG State Power Incorporated turned over assorted medical supplies to the Provincial Nutrition Office. The supplies will be used for the free nutrition counseling conducted for all Misamisnans in line with the Obesity Awareness Campaign and Lactating Station as mandated through the Republic Act 10028 or the Expanded Exclusive Breastfeeding. Ms. Elnie Cagas, the Community Relations Officer of STEAG, personally handed the said supplies to PHO Nutrition Division Ms. Martes Gomez, accompanied by her staff.
So kami po, we see it as a privilege to be able to help. So ang atong nutrition program sa Misamis Oriental, ingon lagi sila nga they would need storage for the breast milk para sa atong mama no nga atong mapainom sa atong mga anak. So na-provide me o kanang unsay what is needed so that in our simple way we are able to help improve the nutrition sa atong mga kabataan.
Meanwhile, the Provincial Capital Park together with the Provincial General Services Office pulled out and cleared tarpaulins posted around the Capital Park. This aims to maintain the cleanliness and orderliness of the surroundings for a more conducive and well-maintained workplace for provincial capital employees. Moreover, the Provincial Planning and Development Office together with the Provincial Engineering Office is delighted to report that the PLGU Misamis Oriental had 100% compliance rate as of October 22, 2021 for the encoding and updating of the support to barangay development projects in Subaybayan web portal. The Subaybayan ang Proyektong Bayan o Subaybayan is the official platform of DILG in the monitoring and reporting of the progress of implementation of all locally funded projects administered by the Office of Project Development Services. It provides a real-time information on the physical and financial status of sub-projects, information and actual location of sub-projects through map overlays, and dashboard graphical presentations, offers feedback mechanism, where stakeholders and beneficiaries can post comments on the sub-projects and management of change lags and audit trail. In Region 10, a total of 285 Region 10 projects, 92.83% were approved by the Project Technical Assessment Team, while 307 projects, 100%, were either saved as drafts, submitted, enrolled in Subaybayan. PPDO and PEO, through the support of Governor BamBE Mano, will continue to do its best to deliver 100% compliance to the said system. Jane Salimbao, PIO.
The consolidation of accomplishments by the provincial capitals offices and departments, backed by Governor BamBE Mano's stewardship, emancipates genuine public service to the people. For the summary, here's Raymark Simania.
Playing a major role in responding to the needs of the people, the provincial government consistently provides vital services to all Misamis Nons. This week, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office, showed its undying commitment of support to the people as a turnover of financial assistance took place at Barangay Baluarte, Taguluan. A total of 248 beneficiaries identified as heavily affected by the COVID-19 crisis from the municipality of Taguluan were given 2,500 each to support their needs in these trying times. Present during the event were Attorney Nadia Emmanuel Lipe, Board Member Gerardo Buboy Sabal III, Board Member Dexter Yasay, Board Member Sarah May Saysay Imano, and Taguluan Municipal and Barangay officials.
Abilibig ko sa atong amahan sa Misamis Oriental, si BamBE Mano. Nga iyang programa karon mayon makatabang dugang sa mga katawhan ng lisod karong pandemic.
Still for this week, PSWDO turned over 2 sacks of rice to individuals affected by the COVID-19 pandemic in the municipality of Lagunglong and 3 sacks of rice to individuals in the municipality of Alobihid. The office also provided 4 food packs to 2 families in the municipality of Hasaan, 200 food packs to individuals in the municipality of Balingasag, and 40 food packs were also given to individuals in the municipality of Lagindingan. And for the Provincial Governor's Extension Office accomplishments, the office catered 238 clients for their Serbisyong Panglawas program, which includes free medical checkups with free medicines, courtesy of Dr. Maria Bebina T. Casino. For their 3-in-1 services, the office catered 8 clients availing free embalming and coffins for the deceased and free transportation. Their health office also administered 24 minor surgeries, removed contraceptive implants to 17 women, and circumcised 90 boys. Having the same passion as Governor BamBE Mano, Attorney Nadia Emmanuel Lipe led this week's turnover ceremony of the newly concreted pathway of Zone 6 Barangay Poblacion Taguluan. Attorney Nadia was also present during the turnover of Kogon Water System or Panubig to the residents of Zone 6 Barangay Santa Ana. Attorney Nadia Emano also turned over a wheelchair to a 73-year-old Mrs. Nicanora Cultura from Barangay Santa Ana. In another story, a series of assessments for the search for the 2021 province-wide G4 or Garden of Go, Grow and Glow contest, spearheaded by the Provincial Health Office Nutrition Division of the provincial government, took place in the municipalities of Hasaan, Claveria, and Binuangan. This initiative aims to address the underlying causes of malnutrition and the issue of food security by identifying a method to promote and attain good health for all Misamis Nons. Packets of assorted vegetable seeds called pinakbets from Pagro were also handed over to the beneficiaries. The search for the outstanding G4 communal and household gardens were rated by the select evaluators from the provincial government.
Nalipay gid kaay ko sa nga tanan, grabe na gid hinuon nako nga kanang paningkamot kay sa una naningkamot kay kung walay contest ay pa karon basin di ay ma'am na dako kay among pasalamat sa kang gob nga BamBE Mano kay ang akong anak karon nga nagtrabaho na iyang gipa-eskwela tuwa sa Davao. Labi gid ako sa gob, dako gid kay akong salamat ako si Jocelyn nga engkong pila na katuig gob imo kong gioperahan sa tumor of the brain. Karon buhi pagyapon ko gob kay hapit na ba ko madigbol sa isa ka tuig na unta to na nakuaran dako gid akong pasalamat gob kay karon nabaskog nako nakaoperahan ko sa tumor of the brain nian ako dinhi sa akong utan tan-awa kada kay akong utan gob kay aron mabaskog gid ko kay luya man ko sa una.
For the Provincial Employment Service Office accomplishment, the office facilitated the tupad payout for the 117 beneficiaries at the Provincial Governor's Extension Office Taguluan in coordination with the Department of Labor and Employment Region 10. Tupad is a community-based package of assistance that provides emergency employment for displaced workers, underemployed, and seasonal workers for a minimum rate of 365 per day or 3,650 pesos for 10 working days. It can be recalled that Governor BamBE Mano submitted a project proposal to Dole Region 10 with dominant intent to help improve the economic conditions of the affected Misamis Nons. and concomitantly siphoned congressional fund from Deputy Speaker Lauren Legarda with a total amount of 597,285 pesos. Now with the Provincial Health Office Accomplishment Report, 2 more people received their second dose of Sputnik vaccine. Another 2 completed their second dose of Sinovac, while 1 received his first dose of Sinovac. The office also distributed 6,083 doses of Pfizer, 5,121 doses of Sinovac, 20,665 doses of Moderna, and 36 doses of AstraZeneca vaccines to local government units in the province. Their COVID-19 surveillance team have swabbed 27 individuals, while the PHO clinic attended to 16 patients. 5 of them exhibited influenza-like illness, 2 requesting medical clearance, while the other 9 seek medical attention for other reasons. The team also screened 5 people for vaccination. For their Animal Bite and Treatment Center, the team served 26 patients with 11 new cases. And for their mental drug-induced psychosis program, 49 patients served, 2 of which are new mental health cases. Raymar Simania, PIO.
With all of the angst and uncertainty that 2021 brought us, our province remains strong. With 248 days left, I know our province is positioned for continued growth and success. We can and will do whatever it takes to build others up because we are Misamis Oriental, a province like no other. Jinky Receipt, PIO.